Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the leads and opportunities processes in ServiceMonster 6. ServiceMonster 6 makes the sales pipeline super easy to use and understand, and I'm here to get you started on that journey. So let's begin. If I were working in sales, my first step of the day might be to go to leads and to the leads list. And here I see if I have any new leads for the day. It looks like I do have one, obtained via my website and web forms. So I need to go into the lead and accept it with opportunity. This is your opportunities page or workspace. I see that this lead has left me quite a bit of contact information, which is great, including an address and a phone number, which will be helpful as we move forward, turning this lead into booked work. Before I move on to my other tasks for the day, I might decide to add a little more information to this opportunity, just to make things easier later. I might add a lead source. Is it a campaign or an account? We'll say this one was an account. Make sure that the owner of this opportunity is correct. It might be myself or another sales rep. What's the priority of this opportunity? Is there a due date? Add value and probability if that's known. I go into more detail on all the descriptions for these things in the Turning Leads into Opportunities training video, so please see that if you have more questions. Don't forget to save any changes that were made to the account. Now that I've set this up, I decide I want to attend to my other sales tasks for the day. Since I've set this to low priority, I'll move on and see if I have anything of higher priority to do. This is where I want to go to the Kanban board under Opportunities. As a visual person, I love this type of sales organization. It gives me a clear overview of where each of my opportunities are in the sales funnel. It's this guy right here. And motivates me to keep them moving along in the process until they've been won. Let me take a minute to explain the basics of this Kanban view. Notice you have a grid view option as well, but I like the chart. Open is where any lead that has been converted to an opportunity goes. Any opportunities that are listed as open, such as the one I just created, will land here and await initial contact. Initial contact refers to the fact that I have attempted to reach out to this new opportunity to start a conversation. This could be in person, by phone, or email. Keep in mind that this could take a few attempts. Say I called my new opportunity and they picked up and showed interest. I would simply drag and drop them to initial contact. And there you go. Initial contact made. Qualified refers to anything from verifying contact info to discussing who are the decision makers, what type of work do they want. It's building a report. This is the point in the process where you both agree that there's work to be done and what services and products are a match for their needs. At this point, it's not a matter of if, but when the job will close. Estimate refers to the establishment of a cost and scope of work, and it's identified. At this point, you're creating an estimate or even a work order for the customer. Notice that back on the Opportunities page, we'll go back to our new guy here. There's a section to add one or multiple orders to the account. Finally, there's negotiation. This is tying all the loose ends, verifying timeline, costs, etc. After that, either you've won them, lost them, or somewhere along the line have abandoned the opportunity. Visit their opportunity page to identify their status. So I'm here in the Kanban view, and I have my new opportunity that I could work on achieving initial contact. But what's nice about this overall view is I notice these red exclamation points, which means they're high priority. I look at the potential worth of the job, and I know why. I'm going to focus on this one today. Because of the high priority and the monetary stake, I want to try to get to the point today where I'm creating an estimate for him and then maybe even negotiating dates and times for the job. My goal today is to either drag and drop him to estimate, or even better, negotiation. So let's click on him to get more information. Throughout his sales process, I've been keeping notes on all my interactions, whether via phone, or email, or in person. For sales, it's essential to have a history. I'm glad I decided to work on this opportunity because I noticed that I had planned an in-person meeting with him today at 1 o'clock. That's great. This could be a big day. I go to the meeting and it's positive. I'm able to work up a work order for him, and we schedule for the following Monday. I created my work orders for him. To do so, simply select the plus button. And then I change his status to 1. And I save. Another way to list his stage is by simply selecting negotiation at the bottom. You can also select it from this drop-down. Remember, for any changes made to the opportunity, click Save. And there's a brief introduction to leads and opportunities in ServiceMonster 6. Remember, if you have any more questions, you can rewatch this video at any time or contact our amazing support team. For more online training, please visit our website at www.servicemonster.net/help. We are here to help you.